All right. Are you ready to get up? You ready to go to school? We got to learn some stuff today. We're going to learn about 4-word sentences. I know it's hard for you because it's your second language, but we can get through it. So let's go get your book. All right. Got your book? Okay, good. Now we want to turn to chapter 5, okay? Find chapter 5. Okay, good. You're on chapter 5? All right. So we're going to learn all about a story, okay? And it's about a pretty little girls' school. All right. So that's the title of the chapter you see right there at the top. Okay, pretty little girls' school. Now, if you are new to the English language, then you need to learn that sometimes words don't always mean what you think they mean. They could have other meanings, okay? So we're going to take this real simple little phrase and we're going to see how many different types of meanings that there could possibly be. All right, we're going to try to segregate the words. We'll put brackets around them so you can kind of see which ones go with which ones, right? So here's a list of all the different ways that you could interpret the sentence Pretty Little Girl School. It could be an attractive, physically small school, so the school can be small, or it can be an attractive school for young girls, okay? So they're pretty little girls. Or it can be a small school for attractive girls, so they're pretty little girls, right? Or it could be a school for girls who are both attractive and young. They're pretty little. Or they can be an attractive lower division, a little denoting their school tier, so it's pretty little. Or it can be a fairly small school, right? It's a pretty little school. Or it's a school for rather young girls. They're pretty little, okay? Or pretty, we call them idioms, okay? We can have a pretty penny or a pretty this or that. So it could be a pretty school or a pretty little some. We've talked about that before. Pretty little, it's kind of cute. Or you remember the movie that yeah, I know it was kind of scary. I know. But it was My Pretty, right? Okay. So we've got little can be non-little, non-literal, right? Those are hard to say together. Little and literal. You might have to practice that. So it can be an affectionate pretty little. It's pretty little. Or it can be a negative. It's pretty little. Or the school could be a verb. Actually, you can school, right? You can learn. That's what you're doing now, right? With your book, you're schooling, so that they can school. Yeah, there's a couple ways you can school it. You can give it as an imperative. Yeah, you can say yeah, school. Or the school can be a noun, like that's what we think it is. It's actually a institution or something like that, right? So there's lots of ways that you could do nouns. Or you can do a little bit most esoteric. You won't run across these very little. um, but it could be a particular girls' school, or could be a collection of girls' schools. Not schools, but it's one school, but lots of girls go there, or only one girl goes there, right? Yeah, there's lots of strange like that. The stresses on pretty versus little versus cool. Yes, you can put stresses on different things, okay? Or it could actually be a name. It could be the pretty little girl school, or it could be the little girl school. It's a pretty, but it's the little girl school, right? This is the pretty one. There might be an ugly little girl school in town, but this is the pretty one. Anyway, those are just some of the ways that you can put 4 words together. So I hope you learned a little bit today. And the English language can be complicated. And I know it's your second language, but we need to work at it.